everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Goldbelly gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up your web browser. In the URL box, type in www.goldbelly.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Goldbelly. Make sure to log into your account, and once you're logged in, if you want to redeem your gift card, you need to go ahead and make a purchase online. Before that, let me tell you what Goldbelly is. It is a curated online marketplace for regional, artisanal foods crafted by local food purveyors throughout the United States. Go ahead and pick a product that you'd like to shop online and add it in your shopping cart. I've already added a product in my shopping cart. Simply click open it after you are done and you'll be able to view your cart just like that. Check if everything's okay, and then if you want to redeem your gift card with the product, click on promo code or gift card button. Enter the gift card number that is available at the back of your gift card for Goldbelly and click on the add button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add a gift card on your purchase. Simply click on the checkout button and follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to redeem your gift card with Goldbelly. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.